To upload content on Behance, start by logging in and navigating to the Share Your Work section. From there, click on Project to access the upload page, where you can choose the type of content you want to upload, such as an image, text, video, or prototype. Once you've selected the type of content, click on it and upload your file. Note that uploading videos or audio files may take some time, as they need to be converted into a web-friendly format. After uploading your file, click Continue, and then upload a thumbnail image, which is typically a screenshot of your content. Next, give your project a title and add up to 10 relevant keywords or tags, separated by commas. You'll also need to specify the tools you use to create the project, and select a category that best describes it, such as graphic design. Then, choose your desired level of visibility, either everyone or private, and confirm that your content does not contain adult material. Finally, click Publish to upload your project to Behance. Once published, you can view your project by going to your profile and clicking on Behance Profile, where you'll see your uploaded content. You can then click on the project to open and view it, including any videos or audio files you've uploaded.